Hi everybody, it's Claire with another art journal video. Today I'm playing in my craft journal, which is from Dina Wakley. It's one of the new release journals, newer release journals. And I'm starting off by adding some white on white collage paper onto the page. So the page isn't prepped with any clear gesso or anything at all. So I'm just starting off by using some gel medium to just stick this collage paper down. This is one of my favourite ways of getting some interest in the background. Whilst it still keeps it fairly subtle, it's a good way to start to build the pattern in the background of your page. So then I'm starting using a bit of white, and I'm using this circle stencil, which is also from Dina Wakley. This is also a favourite, and lots of people love this stencil. It's great for getting some blocks of colour onto your page. And then I'm going to start using the gloss sprays. These are the three new colours from Dina Wakley, so they're the Tangelo, Rouge and Fur. And this is something that Dina Wakley did, and you just kind of mix them with a bit of white acrylic paint, and it just makes some really beautiful colours. And you can see I'm just using up the excess there, so I'm just tipping. It was meant to be a little bit, but it did come out quite fast. So this is the Tangelo one, again just mixing it with a bit of white paint, and I'm just doing some little blocks of colour onto the page and then using up the rest on that other page. And then I've just gone in and just darkened up a little bit. I did use what was left on some of the tags as well. So then again I'm doing the same with Fur, mixing it with some white, and decided it was too dark. I think I added a bit more white into there, and just added some more blocks of colour onto the page too. Okay, and then this is one of the chipboard shapes, also from Dina Wakley, and I'm just drawing round. And once I've drawn around it, I'm then going to paint it in using some black paint from Amsterdam Acrylic. So this is just an ordinary black, there's nothing special about it. And just to block that in and use that as my focal point on the page. And then, as you can see, I've got this piece of paper stuck on my glass mat. It's mostly there when I'm filming so that the light above doesn't glare onto the screen, but also makes quite a useful underpaper, so I will use that little bit of page there that's got all those colours on it, maybe as some collage fodder on a page, or even as a page in a junk journal. And then I'm just using a white gel pen, and I'm just adding some mark making, more circles, kind of echoing what's in the background really with the white collage paper and the stenciling, and I'm just doodling some circles and dots onto the page as well. This is a stamp from one of Dina Wakley's sets of stamps. I'm really not sure which one it is, I'm really sorry, but it is a really nice one, and in lots of her sets there are little stamps that make really great texture stamps in backgrounds. So I also added some splatters of black paint as well, which is something I really do like to do. It kind of helps to break up the background and creates even more interest and texture too. So then I've just added a little heart onto the figure, and then some journaling. And then I've got a collection of stamps. They're not particularly old, but they are mostly from the UK. Ones that my dad collected for a long time and then was going to throw away, and I said, oh no, I can use those in my journaling. So I just found some colours that kind of echoed the page and decided I would stick those on. And also I've got a set of postmark stamps from Carabel Studio. It's called My Stamp, and that made quite a nice accent over the stamp as well. So then I'm just using quite a large Posca pen and I'm just writing the words "Be Fearless" on the page too. Sometimes trying something new can be a little bit scary, but it's worth having a try anyway. So here's the finished page. Quite unusual for me that I've managed to leave lots of background showing, which doesn't often happen. But thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Bye!